The accidental discovery that changed human history. In 1989, a group of chemists at a pharmaceutical company in an American city successfully developed a chemical compound they named Sildenafil. The primary objective of this compound was to treat chest pain, angina pectoris, and high blood pressure. However, the initial clinical trial results were deeply disappointing and frustrating for the team. The final warning and the 3-month deadline. By 1993, after nearly 4 years of fruitless trials, the company's management ran out of patience. They issued a stern warning to the scientific team, granting them a final deadline of just 3 months to achieve satisfactory results. Otherwise, the project would be completely canceled and funding would be withdrawn. The historical turning point. Miners break the silence. During one of the final trials conducted on a group of miners, the doctors asked the participants, "Does anyone have any notes or side effects they would like to share with us?" Silence filled the room for a few moments, and no one answered. But suddenly, a shy worker raised his hand to break the ice, saying, "I noticed the medicine did some strange things to me. Could it be related to that?" Within moments, the rest of the workers raised their hands and shouted in unison, "Me too, the exact same thing happened to me." It turned out that the drug had shown a dramatic positive impact on their married lives, to the point that some workers flatly refused to return the remaining samples after the study concluded. From failure to fortune. Mechanism of action. At that moment, scientists realized they had stumbled upon one of the most significant medical discoveries of the 20th century. The team discovered that sildenafil works by blocking the enzyme responsible for constricting blood vessels and preventing blood flow to the male organ. The team felt they had found a true treasure, and that pure coincidence had led them to create the first oral medication for erectile dysfunction. Resounding commercial success. Extensive trials followed in several countries to confirm these results and fully understand the compound's mechanism. Every indicator proved that what happened with the miners was no fluke. 1996, the official patent for the compound was registered. 1998, the drug received approval from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, under the famous brand name Viagra. The drug rapidly transformed into one of the greatest economic and scientific successes in the history of the pharmaceutical industry. In 2008, annual sales of Viagra reached approximately $1.9 billion. Since 2012, the United States, Mexico, and Canada have collectively spent around $1.4 billion annually on this drug. Future note. Estimates indicate that these massive figures will begin to decline gradually due to the expiration of Pfizer's patent on the drug by 2020, opening the door for other companies to produce generic alternatives at lower prices. What do you think? Would this invention have ever succeeded without the courage of that shy worker? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like the video.